Second game naton between Team D kag Team B. Yes, Nick Makino. First 2 points of the game
by Pasino.
I-shout out natin si Siwaw.
Nimbela. Auto Martinez. Martinez.
Attempt.
Patay eh.
Logo.
Rebound by Alano. Alano.
Steal by Perez.
First turnover of the game for Alano. And Team D. Martinez. Pasa?
Pass to Ocampo. Basket by Ocampo.
Kanami pa ito kapasa ni Martinez. Oh. First 2 points of the game for Ocampo.
Alano to Simpson.
Simpson for 3. Wala.
Logo. Rebound by Pasino.
Pasino.
There's a foul.
Pasino.
Pasino.
Basket.
First attempt. Basket.
Second attempt.
Second attempt. Basket again by Pasino.
2 out of 2 for Pasino. 4 points in the
9
first
minutes
quarter.
remaining. Mimbela to Martinez. Back to Mimbela to Bawang.
Bawang. Out to
Back to
Nimbela.
Nimbela. Shot
Nimbela
clock 14.
fakes. Nimbela running shot. Basket.
Basket by Mimbela.
2 points for number 77. Nimbela. Kasmot ng gambag si Nimbela. Bata pa ni. Clyde,
Simpson,
gimpasa
pass
kay
to Pasino.
Pasino, gimpasa
Back to
kay
Alano. Alano
drives.
There's a foul.
Alano. First attempt, basket.
First attempt. Basket by Alano.
Second attempt, basket.
Basket again.
2 out of 2 for Alano. Score naton 8-4.
Bawang.
Banse ang
Steal
team.
by Amelo.
Bawang stolen by
Simpson.
Amelo. Simpson.
Steal by Ocampo.
Second
to Bawang.
turnover sang team
Nimbela.
D. Nimbela all the way. Nice move to the basket. Wala. Rebound. Nagkado kay
Rebound by Ocampo to Bawang.
Bawang. Oy, ginpasa.
Steal by
Liwat.
Amelo. Amelo.
Wala. Kaduwa.
Outside.
Kaduwa gito makakuhaan si
Martinez.
Martinez with the ball. Martinez.
Attempt.
Kailangan ito nga. Basket. Amugin yung mga signature move ni
7
Martinez. No?
minutes.
From right, nagakadto sa left. Dayon, gina-running shot ya. Alano.
Alano.
Portre.
No good. Rebound by Perez.
Perez. Perez nagadagan.
Mimbela.
Mimbela.
Basket by Mimbela.
Ginadagan. Nandisubong ang Team D. Good start. Tie na ta. 8 all. Pasino. Ga-penetrate. Pasino.
There's a foul. Paul jersey number.
Nice move. Basket.
Foul basket by Perez.
Perez, what a play. Score naton 10-8. Abansi na di ang Team B. Perez. Bonus free throw. Wala. Rebound Pasino.
Rebound by
Pasino.
Pasino.
Ganda sa bola.
Pasino drives. Basket. Score
All the way
10
for
all.
2 points. Nimbela. Kita sa bola.
Martinez.
Pasa kay Martinez.
Shot clock 40. Perez.
Sa kay Perez.
No
Portre,
good.
wala.
Perez
Oy,
again.
nakuha ni Watt.
No good again.
Agaw, nagkadto kay Hamelo.
Hamelo.
Number 16. Ginpasa kay
Pass to
Alano.
Alano.
Ginbalik
Back to
kay
Hamelo.
Hamelo, save. Nagkadto kay Pasino.
There comes Pasino.
Pasino. Para sa
Foul. Paul jersey number 7. Camelo.
Hamelo, to
Back
Alano.
to Alano.
To Lambuson. Portre. Wala. Rebound Martinez. Pasino, dala sa bola.
Pasino drives.
Basket.
Foul basket.
Bao temprano
Foul
pag-aabusar
jersey
si
number 19.
Pasino ba?
Ocampo is second. Personal foul.
8 points already for Pasino in the first quarter. Martinez fakes, gimpasa kay Ocampo. Wala.
No good.
Rebound, nagkanto kay Martinez. Wala ka box out si Simpson.
There's a foul. Foul jersey na Martinez, first attempt.
Wala.
No good. Second attempt.
Attempt.
Good again.
Rebound,
Bayalano.
Alano. Alano. Deflected, gimpasa kay Simpson.
Simpson.
Simpson for 3. Basket.
3
points for number 32, Simpson.
Shot clock 14. There's a foul.
Ocampo was
for
fouled.
jersey number 7.
Basket.
Simpson.
Simpson. Basket. Back-to-back 3 points for Simpson. Duga ba? Wait, di subong nga game si Simpson now. Mimbela fakes for 3. Basket.
3 points. Mimbela.
Alano all the way using his muscle. Wala. Rebound
Basket
again
by Basino. Mimbela gaset some play. Gimpasa kay Martinez. Martinez. Shot clock 14.
Penetrate.
Martinez.
Maraming shot. Diwat.
No good. Din ang Bayalano.
Simpson.
Simpson.
3. Patay.
3 points.
Tatlo naka-trace ni Simpson, no? 9 points.
Ay! Sorry. Ayaw ka, no? Hindi, napagalit.
Perez.
Shot clock 10.
Pasa kanyang Bela. Save.
5.
Maraming shot by Martinez.
Basket by Martinez. 1 minute 50 seconds. 1 minute 48 seconds.
1:48 remaining. Pasa kay Simpson.
Simpson again.
Simpson for 3. Wala.
No good. Di ba may
Rebound by
Pasino?
There's a foul.
There's a 1 minute 30 seconds.
Dire. Okay, tama to. So, kahit ito lang po. Wala.
Pasino. Second attempt. Basket.
Martinez, paso Ocampo.
Campo. Jump shot.
Basket by
Basket.
Ocampo. 1 minute 20 seconds.
Yung improvement sa jump shot ni Jado Campo.
Alano to Simpson.
Alano.
Back to Alano.
Alano.
Backcourt violation. One minute. Basket
Nembela
by
all the way.
Nembela.
Grabe duel may sa par kay Nembela. Garikta lang shoot ba?
3 seconds.
Alano.
Camelo.
Melo.
Block by
Good
Martinez.
defense by Martinez.
There's a foul.
Inbound, kadto kay Melo. Pass kay Martinez. Martinez
Martinez.
fakes. Penetrates. Foul.
There's a foul.
Free throw.
For jersey number 4 seconds. First attempt. No good.
Good. Score naton 24-20 abansi ang Team D. Second attempt, wala. Makat na taneng lead kung na-shoot tong duwa sa
20.
duwa na lang tani kung na-shoot. Pressure defense applied. Alano all the way. Foul. Basket
Foul
counts.
basket by Alano. Foul jersey 3-point play by Alano. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good defense by
End of first quarter, 27-20. Abansi ang Team D.
Principe. First attempt.
In and
No
out.
good.
Rebound by
Inete.
Hinete.
Domingo. Turn nice.
Nice.
To Rames.
Rames. Basketball
3
3.
points. Rames. Mandin.
To Alarcon. To Principe. Back to Alarcon. Alarcon.
All the
Drive.
way! Basket!
Basket by
Grabe nga
Alarcon.
galaw ni Alarcon, no? Gatakilid na shoot yapon. Nice move.
Domingo.
For
Attempt.
three.
No
One
good.
shot.
Rebound by
Rebound by
Inite.
Inite.
Block by
Block by
Mandin.
Mandin.
Save by
Defense.
Labor. Basket.
Basket for 2 points. First 2 points of the game. Mandin. Behind the back, nice move. Pasa kay Sotanghon.
Principe.
Sotanghon for 3.
No
Wala.
good.
Balik kay
Principe
Sotanghon.
again.
Sotanghon. Gin shot.
Basket.
Rebound plus 2 points for Sotanghon.
Domingo pass to Ramis.
Rames.
Back to Domingo.
Pass kay Domingo.
Domingo drives.
drives. Pasa
Pass
kay
to
Nice.
Nice.
Nice defense. Good block.
Good defense by Doreen.
Ring. Gimpasa kay Mandin.
Mandin
all the way.
drives.
Abaw.
Basket by Mandin.
Garikta lang si Mandin ba? Daw series. Nobody can stop. Number 2, Mandin. Rames for
Rames.
3. Wala.
So
Rebound.
good. Outside.
Score na ton 36-26. Abansi ang Team D. Second quarter, gipasa kay Hernais, hook shot,
Basket by
basket.
Nice.
Good play by Hinete, gipasa kay Hernais. There's a steal.
Steal by Nite pass Domingo.
Domingo, gimpasa kay
to
Hernais, gibalik
To
kay
Nite.
Hinete, all the way, left-handed
What a
shot,
move
basket.
by Hinete.
What a move by number 6, Hinete. Kinaliwa pa. Grabe. Mandin drives, gipasa kay Principe. Principe for 3. Wala,
No
rebound,
good.
nagkadugay.
Rebound to Ring.
Ring.
There's a foul.
There's a foul. To Ring, first attempt. No good.
During first attempt, no good.
Second attempt. Wala.
No good again.
Rebound, nagkadugay. Huson. Outside.
7 minutes remaining.
Huson, gwa. Pasa kay Principe.
Principe.
Balik kay Huson. Nakuha. Intercepted. Good defense. Applied. Wow.
Still
What a nice
by
defense.
Nice.
Very nice. Grabe, Sir Nice.
To Domingo.
Gipasa kay Domingo.
This
Basket.
layup by Domingo.
Sir Nice, naka-steal, naka-assist pagid. Mandin, naga-dribble, duwa ang gabantay. Gimpasa
Pasa
kay
Alarcon.
Alarcon, jump shot, wala, nagkanto kay Sir
Nice.
Nice. Gimpasa,
Steal
steal
by
by
Mandin.
Si Tagoy kita-involve yung mga teammates niya. Sa previous play,
Illegal screen by
offensive
Turing.
foul by
His first
Turing.
personal foul.
Illegal screen. That was offensive foul. Irames
Irames.
fakes. Irames jump shot. Looking
No
for a
good.
foul. No
Rebound
good.
by
Rebound by
Hernais.
Hernais.
To Inite. Drives.
There's a
There's a
foul.
foul.
Inete, first attempt. Basket. Ringless ba? Kondisyon si Inete. Boom.
First attempt, basket.
Way guro ka pulaway. Second attempt. Basket.
Basket again
2 out of
by
2.
Inite.
Do, di ba?
Grabe si Inete, oh. Pwede yun ka pa napak, oh. Mandin. Triple team. Gimpasa
Pass to
kay Sutangon.
Principe.
Principe for 3. Basket. 3 points for Principe. Assist kay Mandin.
5 minutes remaining time.
Irames.
Irames.
For 3. Basket. 3 points
Points
for Irames. Katanda ni kay Irames sa 3. So, kasoft lang magaboy. Sa ligad. Dako ni
Mandin
siya.
drives.
Mandin drives.
There's a foul.
Foul baiting. Di subong si
Foul
Mandin.
jersey number 6.
2 free throws for Mandin. First attempt, basket.
First attempt.
Second attempt. Basket. 2
Second
out of 2.
attempt. Basket
for
again
Mandin.
by Mandin.
Domingo, kadalas ang bola.
Between the legs, dribble. Ipasa kay Hinete. Hinete penetrates, good spin move. Good defense. Hinete nakuha ang bola liwat.
Basket by
Grabe si Hinete,
Hinete.
oh, subo mo. Kasakit kay Hinete sa dalong ba?
Mandi.
And then, gipasa kay Turing. Nabuyan naman ni Turing. Another
There's a
turnover.
foul.
4 minutes remaining. Good defense. Rames for 3 again.
No
Wala.
good.
Rebound sa Tanghon. Prinsipe. Nagpupunto sa 3.
Prinsipe
Trailing 3. In and
no
out.
good.
Rebounder
Rebound
nice.
nice.
Grabe. Yan sa piyak ng court. Avoid yun si Prinsipe ba? Nag-awas lang galing.
Domingo.
Domingo crossover. Game pasa kay Labor.
Labor.
Labor. Game pasa kay Nice. Nice pass kay Hinete. Hinete. Hook shot.
Basket again by Hinete.
Grabe. Subong nga si Hinete. Ikaw mukumok. Subong sa iya pulso ba? Kay Ode yung buhok.
Prinsipe.
Tanghon fakes. Paglusot, Prinsipe all the way, wala,
Oh,
rebound,
good.
nagkatugay
Rebound by
Turing. Good effort, nagkatugay.
Defense by Nice.
Nice,
Nice
long
to
pass to
Domingo.
Domingo, gipasa kay
Kay
Rames. Kay Rames, there's a foul, basket
Foul
count.
basket by Rames. Foul.
Completed a 3-point play.
3.
Mandin. Kadalasan bola.
Mandin,
Mandin for
attack.
3, short.
No good.
Rebound,
By
usod,
Yuso.
gipasa kay
To
Mandin.
again.
Mandin on the way,
by
basket.
Mandin.
Na doon na batyagan pa ni Mandin ang fatigue isang ligad nga game 33 points niya siya. Subong nagakuha sa isang momentum sa iya nga pag-basket. Kadalas ang bola si Domingo.
Domingo.
Nag-snap, nag-pop, nag-shot, short.
No good. Rebound by
Rebound Mandin,
Mandin.
spin move, crossover. Mandin all the way. Hindi pinsahan sang tatlo.
Basket by
yapon.
Mandin.
Grabe ka spot.
Tul- Labor.
Jump shot, no good.
No good.
Rebound na
Rebound by
Rames.
Rames. Back to
Labor,
Labor. Labor.
Fakes. 3 seconds.
3 seconds violation. Good.
Mandin, ginpasa kay
Alarcon.
Konchak, tulong gid ba? Grabe din sa. Nagaw.
Still by Domingo. They're nice.
They're nice.
They're nice to
Nice,
Rames. Layup basket. 1 minute 6 seconds.
Prinsipe,
Prinsipe.
Portre, bang!
3
points for Prinsipe.
points.
Assist kay Mandin.
$50 seconds.
2 seconds.
Shot clock 14.
Hinete. May dala sa bola. Kinadipinsahan ni...
Ten to
Good
shoot.
defense. Good defense para kay Sutangon, no? Nag-screen sila.
5.
All the way.
Basket by
Si
Nite.
Hinete ba? Nice move by number 6 Hinete.
30
Sa bola.
seconds.
Ginasugata ni Ernice.
Mandin
Ernice.
drives.
Grabe.
Basket.
Hindi mapunggan si Mandin, no? Mas makapenetrate na sa kanila sulod. Good line na punggan.
20.
20 seconds.
Wala mo time out.
10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the first half.
In the first half,
Score 58,
58.
40 in favor of
Third quarter.
Alano, pass to Pasino, to Simpson. Simpson at
Simpson for 3. Basket.
3 points.
Ito yung katatlo na lang ang tres ni Simpson mo.
Martinez, pass to Ocampo, basket by Ocampo.
Nice play by Martinez sa kay Ocampo for 2.
Alano. Pass to Simpson.
Simpson, Tora
Back
Barret.
to Alano.
Wala no, crossover.
Alano,
Game pass
to
kay
Rames.
Rames for 3.
No good.
Good.
Rebound by
Rebound by
Perez.
Perez. Perez, nagkuha sa Boylo, all the way. Wala.
No good. Rebound by Rames. Si Rames to
Gipasa kay
Simpson.
Simpson,
To
gibalik kay
Hernais.
Hernais, gipasa kay Pasino, good
Hernais
defense.
again. To Rames. To Simpson. Attempt. 3 seconds violation by Pasino. Attempt.
Bella for 3. 3
3
points. Score number 77. Score na ton 61-45. Abansi po ng Team D. Third quarter na.
8 minutes 30 seconds. Hernais.
Nice.
Pass to Rames.
Si Rames.
Rames to
Pass to
Alano.
Alano for 3. Bang!
3 points. Alano.
To Martinez.
Martinez attempt.
Wala.
No go.
Rebound
Rebound by Alano.
Pass to Hernais. Hernais. Buya ng bola. Gipasa kay Simpson. Stepping out of
Outside by
bounds.
Simpson.
There's a steal by Hernais. Hernais.
Pass to Bella.
Kisa ka na to kita. Nagamuto si Hernais. Huwag siya kita. Nimbela. First attempt. Basket. For Nimbela.
First attempt.
Second attempt.
Second attempt.
Wala. Rebound. Ito kay Pasino. Pasino. Triple team si Pasino. Triple team. Good defense. Gipasa kay Rames.
Middle line. Basket.
Basket. Namin na tani ka-depensa, no? Galing din namin mangita si Pasino. Order sa steal.
Basket again by Hernais. Time out. Team B. Remaining time 6 minutes 20 seconds.
Martinez.
Martinez, pass to Bella. Back to Martinez.
Martinez defended by Domingo.
Pass to Alano. Ocampo. No good. Rebound by Simpson to Domingo.
Kapoy na di si Mandino.
Simpson at
Simpson for 3. Bang! Harap agad.
3 points.
Sa nakita na ang fatigue kay Mandin. Himo isang nigadan 33 points. Mas Prisibong. O nagapakay pa sa bola. Asang bola kay Mandin. Mandin. Double team si Mandin. Mandin, double team. Grabing depensa.
Martinez.
Martinez.
Pass to Mandin.
Pass to Mandin. Mandin. Jump shot. Basket.
Basket.
Kuha Japon ba? 2 points Mandin.
Pasino.
Sino?
Pass to
kay
Domingo. To
Go.
Simpson.
Pass kay Simpson for 3. Wala.
No
Rebound. Grabe ang lumpat niya,
Outside by
Milo.
Angelo. Bimbela.
For 3. Bang!
3 points.
Score ng Bella. 73-51. 22-point lead.
Alano. To Simpson.
Sa mga Simpson, nabuyan ang bola.
Outside.
Side.
Substitution.
Substitution, balik sa game. Si Lambuson, si Hernais, kag si Hinete. Buwa si Alano, si Hamelo, kag si Simpson.
Martinez.
Martinez, fakes.
Pass to Perez.
Nimbela.
Bimbela. Shot clock. 10.
Martinez. Dela bola.
Five.
Nice
Intercept
turnover.
by Nice.
Still naman ni Hernais.
Pasino.
Pasino all the
Basket
way to the
by
basket
Pasino.
for 2 points.
4
Pasino
minutes.
dominating the game. Nimbela. Nimbela open for 3.
Nimbela.
Wala.
No good.
Rebound. There's a foul.
There's a foul.
2 free throws for Ocampo. First attempt, no good. Short. Second attempt, no good. Rebound, Hinete. Out to Domingo. Domingo. Intercepted by Nimbela.
Intercept by
ang
Nimbela.
effort. Those ni Nimbela. Ginkuha pagyapon. Muna yung mga effort. Kung may mga teammates ka, mga coach nila, no, namiyang na. Domingo for 3.
No good.
Rebound Mandin. Mandin.
To
Pass to
Nimbela.
Nimbela. Nimbela. Nice move. Wala.
No good.
Grabing effort ni
Bawal Pasino.
Pasino.
Steal by Nimbela. To Martinez.
Martinez.
There's a foul.
Basket
Basket.
counts.
Foul jersey number 6.
Bonus free throw for Martinez.
3-point play by Martinez.
Domingo. Pass kay ng Buson.
Buson, back to Domingo.
Domingo.
Steal by
Intercepted.
Martinez. Pass to Principe.
Principe.
Basket. Time out.
Hinete. Madalas ang bola. Sinabatan na yan ni Principe.
Bastolano.
Bastolano. Out ni Rames. Fakes. Jump shot. Rames. In and out. Rebound Martinez. Ipasa kay Mandin. Nabuyan. Umbela. Doon hindi pa makakita na mula. Mandin. All the way. Good defense by Alano.
Bella.
Nagkado kay Bella. Pasa
Pass to
kay
Mandin.
Martinez. Nice move. But
There's a foul.
Strong move
Foul
by
jersey number
Mandin.
19, Alano.
Foul si Alano.
Second personal foul. 1 minute 24 seconds remaining time.
2 free throws for Mandin. First attempt, basket. Daglinong gulpe ba? Ang court ba?
Second
Second
attempt.
attempt.
Basket
Basket.
by Mandin.
1 minute 20 seconds remaining in the game. Alano penetrates.
Alano,
Teardrop, no
no
good.
good.
Cut to liwat kay Alano.
Alano, intercept
Agaw.
by Mandin. To Bella.
Bella, game
Pass
pasa kay
to
Mandin. Mandin, save. Nagkanto
To
kay
Principe.
Principe, good defense. Nabuyan ni Alano.
Outside ni Alano.
Lucky break pa to sa ila.
Mimbela.
Yung Bella.
Pass to Principe.
Principe for 3. Wala.
No good rebound by Hinite. 50
3
seconds.
seconds. Hinete. Basket all the way. Grabe si Hinete. Subong ka pong
40 seconds.
Grabe.
Kabilib man si Mer Bermeo.
Martinez.
Gadi pinsa pa sa nice
Pass
pass.
to Campo. 30 seconds.
Ay. Turnover again.
24 seconds
Kung
in
niya nagka-kill sa
America.
Team B ang ilang turnovers.
24.
Kung diin man niya nagalaot sila sa game, dira man niya nag-turnovers.
seconds. 15 seconds. Shot clock. 10.
Rames for 3. Bang!
3 points. Si Rames. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Oh, nice pass!
1. Foul basket.
Foul basket
Foul
pa.
jersey
Werte, nakahabol pa ba?
number 47.
No time left.
Rames.
Basket counts. Bonus free throw.
First personal foul.
Kabus! Time now for our fourth and final quarter.
Fourth and final quarter. Good luck, both teams. Perez. No good. Hindi pa by Labor.
Not a good position sa first attempt sa fourth quarter.
Si Rames. Pass to Pasino. Pasino ba?
Sino
No
tapal?
good.
Lock. By Turing. Outside.
Si Rames to Labor. Labor. Ito Pasino.
Sino?
There's a foul. No good. Good again. Rebound by Houston.
Last ball.
Alarcon.
Nice
Drives.
move. Block.
Block by Pasino.
Namin ay nga drive. Block lang.
Pasino. Pass to Nick Makino.
Nick Makino,
To Simpson.
Simpson.
Basket.
Namin kiniblock kay Nick Makino. Kay kapasa. Ganyan mo. Good find. Oy, good
Perez.
defense naman.
Shot clock 14.
Oh, deflection yan naman oh.
Good defense by Nick Makino.
Pirti ka bakas nga bata.
Turing.
Turing, no good. Rebound by Labor.
Rebound by Labor. Labor, pasa kay Simpson.
Simpson. Pundo.
Attempt.
Attempt for 3. Bang!
3 points.
Perez. Fakes.
Pasa Turing, nakalibre.
Nice pass, wait
No
ako.
good.
Kanami, tani. Wala tao. Ulo. Nakibot sa. Pasino all the way.
Pasino. Basket.
Nabusar na din si Pasino. Good.
Alarcon. Attempt, no good. Rebound by Labor. Labor to Iramis. Pass to Nick Makino.
Nick Makino.
To
Pasa kay
Simpson.
Simpson. Simpson for 3. Wala.
No good. Rebound by Alarcon.
On the rebound.
Alarcon. Dribbling the ball. Drives.
Yun.
No good. It's Remelica.
Wey. Diba? Wey.
Labor. Pass to Alano.
Alano. Wala.
Good defense by Turing. Rebound by
Grabe
Melo.
ka na. Sol by Melo.
There's a foul. Domingo. Pass to Melo.
Amelo for 3. Wala.
No good.
Kanto
Amelo
lang kay
again.
Amelo.
Pass to
Pass kay
Nick
Nick Makino.
Makino.
Teardrop, Nick Makino.
Basket.
Big up. Shot si Nick Makino ba? Nick Makino for 2 points. O, balik naman sa Dibenzo.
Perez.
Perez. Good defense by Domingo. Deflected.
Tolarcon.
There's a
There's a foul. Pushing foul by number 11. Bingo.
Oh, why is Nick Makino
First
sa bench?
personal foul. Shot ng 14. Turing. Turing drives in.
All the way.
No
Wala.
good.
Rebound Alano.
Four minutes remaining time. Alano
Alano for
ate.
3. Wala.
No good. Rebound by Domingo.
Domingo. Wala.
No good.
Rebound.
Rebound by Huson. Huson to Perez. Perez. Perez dribbling the ball.
All the way. Pasa kay
Pass to
Alarcon.
Alarcon. Basket.
2 points for Alarcon.
Three minutes remaining time.
Amelo fakes. Nice move to the basket.
Camelo, there's
Wow.
a foul. Camelo, first turn.
Sila, di ko ka-get sa Ah, Bernes. Isit na, nakapata.
Second turn. No good. Rebound by
Huson.
Huson.
Tama pa di rebound si Huson, no?
Perez to Babang.
Bawang.
Attempt.
Wala.
No good. Rebound by Huson.
Rebound naman ni Huson,
To
no?
Alarcon.
Alarcon, jump shot. Basket.
Basket by Alarcon.
By Alarcon.
By Perez.
By Perez. Perez. Behind the back.
Outside.
Nice pass to the ball.
Still by Alarcon.
Alarcon, stops, penetrates, wala.
No good.
Amelo.
Camelo.
Do free throw ba? Patay.
Free throw by Amelo. Paso Alarcon. Alarcon. No good. Rebound by Labor. Paso Amelo.
Amelo, nice move.
No good.
Couldn't finish.
Alarcon.
No good. Alano, pass to Domingo. Domingo, no good. Sorry, miss. Bawang.
Bawang. No good. Rebound by Huson. No good again.
Kadto kay
Bawang
Bawang.
again.
Bawang.
40 seconds.
Patay.
3 points. Bawang. 30 seconds.
13 minutes.
25 seconds. 20 seconds. Lambuson.
Lambuson, 3 points for Lambuson.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Winner, Team D.
Congratulations, Team D. Kag congrats man sa Team B. Iguay gyapon. Nice game.
Oh.